In this part, we are going to learn about the for loop in C++. The for loop is one of the most commonly used loops because it's simple, clean, and perfect when we know how many times a loop should run. Okay, so let's get started. A for loop is used to repeat a block of code a fixed number of times. So it has three parts, and you can cram these three parts using this word, this acronym these acronyms. Okay, this acronym, which is ICU, intensive care unit. Okay, and I stands for initialization, C stands for condition, and the U stands for update. Okay, so let's try to see how we can use it. So the for, if I try to type for and I press enter, so here this one is first is called initialization, which is initialization, and after initialization we try to use to add a condition for C. From there, after adding the condition, then you have to update. You update by either incrementing or decrementing. Okay, so let us try to look at an example. But before we look at an example, let us try to see how the for loop works. The first step is initializing. Okay, initializing something. Okay, so the first step is like this. You first initializing runs once. After running once, the condition is checked. Okay, so if it is true, then the loop body executes. Okay, the loop body is this one. Okay, the loop body is that one that executes. Okay, and after that, update happens. Okay, updating happens. Okay, so from there the condition is checked again. Okay, this continues until the condition becomes a false. Okay, so let us take a look at an example. So we first do what is called initialization. So we initialize our variable I, and let us set it to be equals to 1 like that. From there, C stands for condition. We add a condition. So the condition is going to be I is going to be less than or equals to. Want this loop to run 5 times. Okay, so from there, let us try to update. We update by incrementing or decrementing. So our I is going to be incremented to, let us increment it. Okay, so from there, let us run this block of code. Okay, so what are we going to run? Count. Okay, count. We are going to output I, and we are going to end our line like that. So from there, let us try to save, and we try to compile. After compiling, let's try to run. So when we try to run, as you can see, we get 1 2 3 4 5 like that. Okay, like that. So the for loop, we can use it with user input. Okay, you can use it with user input. You can also use it to print even numbers. Okay, you can also use it to reverse a for loop. You can also reverse a for loop. Okay, so let us try to take a look at how we can print even numbers. Okay, so let us set it here. We set I to be equals, let us set it to be equals to 2, because even numbers are divisible by 2. Okay, and they give us a remainder of 0. Okay, so from there, I is going to be equals to less than or equals to 10. Okay, so from there, what are we going to do? We need to update our I. So we are going to update our I by 2 times. Okay, so we are going to increment it 2 times. Okay, we are going to add 2 on it, 2 on the previous I. Okay, so from there, we're going to print out our I. So from there, let us try to compile. After saving, make sure that you save your file, and we try to run. We're going to get 2 4 6 8 10. Okay, like that. As you can see, we have got our values there, our even numbers less than 10. Okay, so we can also use the for loop without these curly brackets. Okay, or call them the braces. Okay, these curly brackets, we can just omit them, can just remove them like that. Let's remove them. So this one is going to work, okay, the same way. Okay, it's going to work. Even if we put it there, it's going to work. Okay, So the other one just gives us the scope, okay, the scope where we can put our block of code, these curly brackets, okay. It just gives us the best scope, okay, the easiest scope, okay, that we can work with. It just separates our code, okay. We can also use continue, okay. You can try to use continue with the for loop, okay. So I think you understand. Try to use the continue, okay. So that's it about the for loop. You can try out with it, okay. You can try it out, okay. You can use it to iterate an array of characters, but we shall take a look at that in the next parts, okay, in future parts, okay.